Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to be talking about Influenster again. I have a couple of Influenster videos up already. If you don't know what Influenster is, it is an app that allows you to get boxes of free stuff. All you have to do is download the app, or link some of your social media accounts to it, and then review products that you already have, and then with any luck in time you will start getting free stuff. I've gotten a lot of hair care products as well as makeup products, and today we're going to be talking about this product right here from System Professional. If you are interested in signing up for Influenster, I'll leave a referral link below in the description box. The value of this VoxBox, this is called a VoxBox, that's what they call all their boxes. This is worth $136 and I got it all for free. Inside of this box we have 3 products. Camera is shaking, sorry. Camera's still shaking, sorry. So this, like I said, this comes from the brand System Professionals. They are owned by the company Wella, which is owned by Procter & Gamble. This is kind of a different company because the way they have everything set up. This is what they're claiming on their website. Their website says, each person's hair has a unique energy profile that determines its elasticity, fiber health, and responsiveness. Our scientists have unlocked the secret to ideal hair. No two people have the same hair. Get your own personalized hair energy code mapping for a truly effective care system tailored to your individual hair, scalp, and needs. So you go on their website and you're supposed to take this quiz, and they give you this code that you then use to buy the particular products that are linked to the code. For example, my code when I took the quiz just now was V1S2C3, and on these bottles you'll notice this one says R3, this one is H1, this one is C2. So this is what Influenster gave to me, but when I took the code online, the codes were a little bit different than what I got. That's okay because I still actually really liked these products. So the products are set up on their website under 4 categories, or what they call the 4 pillars. The 4 pillars are Fibra, Derma, Forma, and Extra. Fibra is for colored hair and repair. Derma is for balance, Forma is to hydrate, volumize, and smoothen. Extra is for a high performance salon experience. There's this big chart they have on their website that labels all those what I just said just now. And underneath them they have the letter codes. So under Derma is B for balance, sensitive scalp, and hair loss. C is for color save, and R is for repair. The C and the R under the Fibra category. Then under the Forma category is H for hydrate, normal to dry hair, B for volumize and fine hair, and S to smoothen curly or uncurly hair, and then X for extra, which is the high performance. If you are confused by any of that, I know that was a lot and maybe confusing, just go on their website, you'll see what I'm talking about, take the hair quiz. It's pretty simple once you can see it all. Now that I've explained the company, let's talk about the products that I have. This shampoo is called Hydrate Shampoo. It's H1, like I said before. The conditioner I have is the Color Save Conditioner C2. I do color my hair red. Been doing that for years. And then they gave me a repair mask, which is R3. So I really like these. I didn't want to like them because they're kind of expensive. The shampoo and conditioner are $37.99 and the mask is $59.99. That's a bit out of my price range, but they are really good. The scent I'm not the biggest fan of, but it does fade away eventually, and it's not as bad once you rinse it out. It makes my hair so soft and so smooth, more so than any shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. The mask is good, but I would probably pass on it if I had to buy it myself. I like the conditioner much better. This is actually, today is Thursday. The last time I washed my hair was Saturday. 5 days since I washed my hair and it still looks clean. So that's saying something. I really like it. There's not much more to say other than it made my hair soft, smooth, and clean. And that's what you really want in a shampoo and conditioner, isn't it? As to the color save, I haven't really noticed my color like fading or anything, so I don't know if it's this shampoo or conditioner or what, but I can't really attest to the whole color saving thing. All I can really say, I like the way my hair looks and feels, so I really like it. It's expensive, but if you have money, definitely recommend it. That's all I gotta say for the products. If you really want free stuff, I totally recommend Influenster. Why not? Who doesn't love free stuff? Click the link in the bio to sign up, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.